Assalamu alaikum, welcome to AHSA World. In today's video, I'll be making Chanachur Chutney. Right? So, I don't really know what in other language you would say it. Maybe Chana Chaat, or it's basically sev, right? With peanuts, and you have sev with peanuts. We've got 2 bags, so I might just use 1.5 bags, right? We've got salted corn nuts and cornflake mix, right? So all these I'll be using to make that. And then we've got chaat masala, and then mustard oil, and I'm using, you can use it, it's up to you, I'm using Mr. Naga, right? So all these ingredients you can find in Asian supermarkets, right? So I'm using Mr. Naga, right? So it's quite hot. I'm only going to use a little bit. And I'm using lemon juice, right? You can put fresh lemon juice if you want, right? And 1 onion, and we've got 6 chili, right? So these are bird's eye chili, right? So they're quite hot, right? And then you got coriander, right? So these are the ingredients I am using. I usually make it simple, right? When I've usually made like Chanachur Chutney, but today I'm using a bit of different ingredients, right? So we'll see how it comes out at the end, inshallah. So what I've done is I've bought in a bigger container to mix everything, because the other one is too small, right? So I'll use this big bowl to put everything in, and I've already put in 1 packet of sev with peanuts, right? So I'm just going to use another half a packet. The salted corn nuts, right? So I'll put in, it's up to you how much you want to put in. So I'm just going to put in just a little bit. The cornflake mix, right? So here again, just not too much. The 1 onion has been chopped up into little pieces, right? So it's always good to have little pieces, yeah. If you get it big, yeah, it doesn't feel good when you taste it. So make sure it's little pieces, right? So I'll put that in. One whole one. The bird's eye chili, just small pieces. Put that in. Put the coriander. Now I'm going to put in Mr. Naga, right? So it's entirely up to you if you want to put that in, right? So I'm going to put in about half a teaspoon of Mr. Naga. But it's quite hot, right? So you don't want to use too much of it, yeah? I'm just going to use half a teaspoon. Lemon juice, right? Lemon juice. So about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, or 3. And then the mustard oil. You have to use plenty of mustard oil. So maybe about 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. Okay, now we're gonna mix all this Right. Now we'll use the chaat masala. So I'm just going to use about 1 tablespoon. Chaat masala, actually just use a bit more, about 1.5 tablespoons. So I'll mix this now. Right. Now for the best bits. Right, we're gonna put the lid on of the bowl and we're gonna give it a good mix. Right, and that's it. You have it now. Let's just have a taste of it. Looking good. I'm gonna taste it now. With the chaat masala and onions and everything. It's really good.
How does it taste, Abu?
Very nice.
Huh?
Alhamdulillah. So, with all the stuff that we've added, you can, every time you put something in, you can, if you want to put more, right, just taste it and see how you like it. So we've done it the way we want it, and everybody's really loving it. Alhamdulillah. Jazakallah khair for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. We'll see you next time, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.